Hello, my name's Chris Everson and I'm the Managing Director of 5D Consulting Rutland. I established 5D Consulting last year to provide specialist engineering CV writing. We also coach and mentor engineers through the recruitment process, as many people have found themselves out of work in these uncertain times. Since I started 5D and from speaking to a number of engineers, I've been asked several times about how much engineering information that an engineer needs to put on their CV. Hopefully, this will give you a few ideas. What information should I have on my engineering CV? Getting the balance with this is tough. Too much information and you risk losing the messages you're trying to get across. Too little information and it won't demonstrate your engineering skills and experience effectively. When you're writing your CV, focus on two main areas. The first is what you do, your key skills and the day-to-day responsibilities in the role that you're doing. This could be mechanical design, it could be CAD, it could be quality engineering, project management or maintenance. Describe what you do in detail and think about what you do before you actually start writing your CV. The second part to think about is to detail achievements that you've had throughout your career. This could be anything that is important to you. Whether this is completing a complex design, reducing machinery downtime or solving a recurring quality issue. So the second question I'm asked is how much technical language and which technical language should you use on your CV? When you're writing your CV, it's important to think about who will be reading your CV, who you are trying to appeal to. If you're appealing to like-minded engineers in the same industry sector, then feel free to use industry-specific jargon. So for example, if you work in the aerospace industry, feel free to use aerospace terms, relevant quality standards or relevant CAD. If you're in the aerospace market and want to move into the automotive or another industry, keep the language generic but technical enough that other engineers can understand what you're trying to say. Another question I'm asked is what level of engineering detail should I put on my CV? Again, this is key to getting your CV balanced. My advice would be to make sure that you cover your key day-to-day responsibilities within your job role, backed up with relevant terminology and reinforce what you've done in those projects to make them a success. I hope you found this useful, and for this and more information and advice, please visit the website www.5dconsultingrutland.co.uk.